The world's most lavish hotel suites that redefine luxury. Ever wondered what it feels like to wake up in a room so extravagant, the nightly rate could buy you a Tesla? A suite so palatial, it makes Buckingham Palace look like a modest Airbnb? These ultra-luxurious hotel suites aren't just places to crash for the night. They're masterpieces built exclusively for the fabulously rich, the insanely famous, and probably your favorite billionaire. It's not just about designer couches and gold-plated walls, although there's plenty of that too. These suites are about the experiences that leave you wide-eyed and wondering, who even deserves this level of luxury? Well, today we're pulling back the gold-accented curtains and giving you a glimpse inside the world's most mind-blowing hotel suites. Buckle up, things are about to get interesting. 1. The Royal Mansion, Atlantis. The Royal, Dubai. Dubai does not do subtle, and the Royal Mansion at Atlantis. The Royal is its pièce de résistance. Imagine walking into an 11,000 square foot suite that feels more like a modern Arabian fairy tale. We're talking views of the Arabian Gulf, a dining area fit for royalty, and yes, actual century-old olive trees right in the foyer. Because why not? The crown jewel, though, is the colossal infinity pool on your terrace. Swim to the edge and you'll feel like you've conquered the Gulf, all while sipping champagne. Oh, and there's an outdoor kitchen, perfect for Michelin-starred chefs to whip up meals under the stars. Remember Beyoncé's performance at the grand opening of this hotel? Guess where she stayed? Price tag? A cool $100,000 per night. Guess some people drop six figures on poolside naps these days. 2. The Empathy Suite, Palms Casino Resort, Las Vegas. Vegas doesn't just do over the top, it redefines it. And the Empathy Suite proves that. Designed by British artist Damien Hirst, this $100,000 per night suite is basically an art gallery where you casually sleep. 2 master bedrooms, a private salt relaxation room, and a jacuzzi hanging, yes, hanging, over the bustling Las Vegas Strip come standard. But the real wow factor is in the details. The walls, covered in Damien Hirst originals. The decor, custom-made down to the last trippy butterfly motif. Even the minibar looks like it belongs in a billionaire's man cave, with some of the world's rarest liquors on standby. Not enough? They throw in $10,000 in casino credits because if you're spending $100,000 here, you should also get paid to gamble. 3. The Royal Penthouse Suite, Hotel President Wilson, Geneva. Forget suites. This is essentially a fortress dressed up as a hotel room. Taking up the entire 8th floor, the 12-bedroom Royal Penthouse Suite is designed for world leaders, A-list celebs, and anyone else who needs a panic button, private security, and bulletproof windows installed in their bedroom. Beyond the James Bond speed security, you get jaw-dropping views of Lake Geneva and Mont Blanc from a massive wraparound terrace. Need entertainment? A Steinway grand piano and billiards table are at your disposal. Bored? Hit the private gym or library stocked with rare old books. At $80,000 per night, privacy and power aren't cheap. But hey, where else can you read and outrun a spy thriller plot in the same space? The Mark Penthouse, the Mark Hotel, NYC. Say hello to America's largest hotel suite, a towering 10,000 square feet of Upper East Side elegance spanning 2 floors. This isn't just a suite, it's basically living in the kind of apartment only the Monopoly man could afford. Highlights include 5 bedrooms, 6, yes 6, marble-clad bathrooms, 2 wet bars, and a private rooftop terrace with straight-up postcard views of Central Park. The living room is bigger than most NYC penthouses, and the ceilings are so high, you might just spot a cloud up there. Designed by legendary French interior designer Jacques Grange, every single detail screams sophistication, from the silk-covered walls to custom-made furniture so plush, you'd feel bad sitting on it. What does all this cost? About $75,000 per night. The Muraka, Conrad Maldives Rangali Island. Most luxury suites have killer views, but how about a suite inside the view? Meet the Muraka, the world's first underwater villa in the Maldives. The master bedroom is submerged 16 feet below sea level, with glass walls on all sides, so your roommates are sharks, rays, and Nemo himself. Above water, you've got an infinity pool, a butler on call 24/7, and your own private deck for soaking up the Maldivian sun. Below water, you can quite literally fall asleep under the gentle gaze of passing fish. Weird flex maybe, but undeniably spectacular. A night here will set you back around $50,000. But honestly, can you put a price tag on saying, "Oh, I slept with the ocean last night"? 6. Necker Island, British Virgin Islands. What's better than a luxury suite? An entire island. Richard Branson's Necker Island is your private slice of Caribbean paradise, and it's every bit as exclusive as you'd expect. For $118,500 per night, yes, we're counting commas now, you and up to 40 lucky guests get to call this 74-acre island home. Think plush villas, infinity pools galore, private chefs whipping up feasts, and beaches so pristine they look photoshopped. Want a kite surfing lesson? Done. A moonlit dinner on a secluded beach? Easy. Heck, they'll even throw in a live band and fireworks if you're into grand exits. This isn't just luxury, it's freedom on a millionaire's scale. 7. Grand Riyadh, the Royal Mansour, Marrakech. Marrakech doesn't just do luxury, it drenches you in centuries of craftsmanship and culture. At the Royal Mansour's Grand Riyadh, Moroccan magic comes to life in the form of a mind-blowing 4-bedroom private residence. Each corner of this suite drips with opulence, hand-carved ceilings, silk-covered walls, and chandeliers that could moonlight as crown jewels. It comes with its own hammam, Turkish bath, stunning rooftop terrace, lush gardens, and a fairy tale-esque pool. Built by Morocco's king himself, this palace costs $30,000 per night. But trust us, once you're sipping mint tea while the sun sets over the Atlas Mountains, it'll be worth every penny. 8. The Royal Suite, Burj Al Arab, Dubai. If you've glanced at Dubai's skyline, you've likely spotted the sail-shaped Burj Al Arab. Its royal suite is essentially a golden shrine to excess. Clocking in at 8,400 square feet, this 2-story wonder comes with all the hits. 24-karat gold finishes, a revolving canopy bed, Gatsby vibes anyone, a private cinema, and a marble staircase so fancy I'm shocked it doesn't have its own fan club. Need to get somewhere? A chauffeur-driven Rolls-Royce or private helicopter will shuttle you in style. At $24,000 a night, this 7-star experience may just be the most affordable thing on this list. Almost. 9. The Penthouse Suite, Hotel Martinez, Cannes located in the movie star hub of the French Riviera. Hotel Martinez's penthouse suite serves old Hollywood glam realness with a side of jaw-dropping Mediterranean views. Taking up the top floor of the hotel, it boasts 4 bedrooms, marble everything, and a private terrace so epic that celebrities practically fight over it every Cannes Film Festival. At $56,000 per night, you can feel like an A-lister, even if your only big-screen appearance was a cameo in a TikTok. 10. The Hilltop Villa, Laukala Island Resort, Fiji sitting, pretty on a 4,000-acre private estate. This $55,000 per night, Fijian stunner blends luxury with untouched wilderness. Up here, it's just you, your infinity pool, and the kind of jaw-dropping ocean views that make postcards jealous. Bonus points for the zero-waste vibes. The resort's sustainable ethos runs deep. All your meals are farm to table, and the entire place is carefully integrated with its natural surroundings. If paradise had a price tag, this would be it. These aren't just suites. They're spectacles, made to push the limits of indulgence and imagination. Whether it's sleeping under the sea or partying on a private island, these places are proof that luxury isn't just expensive, it's unforgettable. Which one caught your eye? Or your wildest dreams? Drop your thoughts below. And hey, maybe one day you'll check into one of these jaw-dropping escapes. Dream big. These were just 10 of the most expensive jaw-dropping hotel suites in the world. But luxury isn't just about price, it's about experience, exclusivity, and the feeling that you're living a dream that most people will never see. Would you ever stay in one of these suites? If so, which one would be your first pick? Let us know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on the world's most incredible places. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be checking into one of these suites yourself.